Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Peter, now back with another video, and today I'll be showing you guys how to diagnose a check engine light. Alright, so step one to diagnosing a check engine light is to go ahead and put your key in and turn your car on. Make your car's accessory, all electrical stuff on, but do not actually start the car. Next, what you're gonna do is go ahead and take your scan tool. This one I bought off Amazon for 20 bucks, but you can go get yours for free from any local parts store. But so anyways, once you have your scan tool, what you're gonna go ahead and do is take this part of it and go ahead and plug it in underneath your driver's side, in your driver's side footwell. As you can see that little black thing right here, this is what we're connecting it to. On backwards. There we go. Once you've done that, go ahead and go to your scan tool. This is a very basic scan tool, so there's not a lot of options. So just go ahead and click on Diagnose, and then you're just gonna go ahead and wait for it to load. Once your scan tool is loaded, just go ahead and select the Read Trouble Code option. Then you want to read the current code. Then here it's going to tell you what your problem is. As you can see, I have a P0441, which means my somewhere in my evap system there's a leak. You'll have to clear the code. So what you're going to go do is go back to the main menu and then click on Erase Code. And then boom, no more check engine lights. So now when I start my car, there will be no more check engine lights on. As you can see, there's no more check engine light at all, and we are good to go. Let me just go ahead and put my seatbelt on real quick, and we're going to drive. If you guys found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching.